The headlight I was talking about, somebody, they still charge full price even though somebody took it apart. Look at that. But no big. And they broke one of the tabs. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds. I'm your guy, Easy E, and it's another one of those "we just won a car" videos. So let's jump on into it. Here's our thumbnail car that we won for the low price of $650 from Copart. Listed as front end damage from State Farm with 154,745 on the dash. So this is a 2006 Cadillac Srx, which we always going to start on the outside of the car first, then work our way to the inside. So she has Goodyear Assurance tire right here. Pretty sure there's another Goodyear Assurance on that side. In the back, she has some Hankook tires. So they changed them in pairs, not sets. This side looked pretty good, because I know y'all want to see that front end damage. Still looking good. She got that big giant moon roof. Unfortunately, we won't be able to get in the back, because this is a Caddy and she kind of long, but it's not her fault because I can't pull her all the way up to the front of the garage because I got transmissions up there. So we're just going to squeeze on through here. Oh, got a little scratch right there. Probably can buff and wax out. Another little scratch right there. Another scratch right there. Like a big yellow scratch right there. Like I said, that's another Hankook. Outside look pretty decent. Got a little paint chip peel right there. Must have bagged into something. Yeah, this corner. Got some crack peeling, but we ain't fixing that. Because this car is hard to find. The parts are hard to find. If you do find them, you got to buy them brand new. And they are expensive. I'm telling y'all, for the headlight, they want like $300-something for a headlight. When we come to the front end damage, so that's another Goodyear, like I said. So she's going to need a fender. She took a hit over here. A low hit, because the headlight did survive, but it's cracked on this side. So fender, headlight, front bumper, fog light. And they tried to do some rock chips that they covered with some black paint. And she did come with 3 sets of car keys. So that's the outside. Let's pop this hood. Take a look. Ooh. See, I'm about to mess up. Got those keys sitting up there. Don't want those sliding down somewhere I can't find them. Get up here. Got that 3.6 liter V6 VVT. So this car is rear wheel drive. Looks like she has 2 belts under there. An accessory belt and a main belt. Don't know what this stuff is. If somebody wants some lights under the hood, so we're gonna just remove this real quick. Just remove this sticky stuff. I'm gonna see how it light up though. Wire, oh man, it's grounded. Somebody get that ground wire off. I ain't gonna break that. That's a 10. Oh, luckily, I got a 10 right here. So they ain't been doing some little work in this video. Okay, it's off. Oh, can't do this one-handed. Come on, switch it back. Get that back tightened down. Luckily, I had a 10 over here. Because, you know, 10s on everything. I don't even know what this is for, but we ain't gonna toss this in the pile, but we're gonna toss it right there. Got like another dent here. Like this bracket kind of might be broke. If it is, we can fix it. Like I said, these headlights are $340. If you need a set of headlights for a Cadillac. The front bumper is $250 online. See, I'm still trying to figure out if I can find one. If I can find one at the salvage yards, because I'm not trying to pay $250 then still got to paint it. It's better off trying to, but the salvage, well, pick and pull a LKQ, because the other salvage yards, I put up to one, and they said they wanted $250. And I was willing to pay that. I got paid $250 online, but it was going to come with the grill. This grill got a couple of cracks in it. Crack there, crack there. Just on that side, 2 cracks. So I wanted to replace the grill, but I can't fix that. Because like I said, this is a fairly, well, this is a low mileage car for this year. 2006, 154,000 miles. And I was doing my research. I was skeptical about even buying it, because I had to buy it now for $650. And I'm like, okay, what's wrong with it? In 2013, this car had 100,000 miles on it. 2024, car has 154,745. So they drove it 54,000 miles in 11 years. I'm like, really? I don't know. Could be a scam, could not be a scam. So I rolled the dice, paid for it, went and picked it up, and I never felt better about this purchase. I guess I gotta stay away from those $300 cars, because those ones that give me the most headache, and I gotta put the most money in. Yep, y'all know what I'm talking about. But let's go take a look on the inside. Did I put those keys in my pocket? No. So here's the end. Go pop this door open right here. And from the pictures, I was like, she's extremely clean for the miles. Usually you see these cars, the seats be all raggedy and toe up. The armrests be raggedy, toe up. The bolsters be raggedy and toe up. Because they had one of these at Pick and Pull. The whole interior was towed the hell up. They got that big sunroof, panoramic sunroof. And I don't got the third row seats. And part of the mess in the back. I've been sourcing parts for this car. So they got a headlight that got to be repaired. They got a tab broke. But it only cost me about $60. And somebody took half of the headlight. I got the fog light and I got the fender. Just got to find the bumper. There's the ends. Well, got a little. The only thing that's really messed up is this little glove, this little eyeglass thing. Guess they was using that one, but that's all right. Like I said, pretty much everything clean. Seats are clean. That's for me getting in and out. They came with the key for the locks. Got a toothpick in there, like some chewing gum wrapped up in there, never been smoked in. Armrest actually has the cover. Nothing in there. Clean over there. And out in the seat, you gotta go up in there. Oh. Got the book. For 2006 Cadillac. I didn't see that because that was tucked up in there. Got the little emblem that's missing. The little round one out for the back in there. That one seems to open fine because nobody really sits over there. Back seat. Looking as good as the front. Sorry, got the seat folded down, but like I said, I got parts back here. Here's the headlight I was talking about. Somebody, they still charge full price even though somebody took it apart. Look at that. But no biggie. And they broke one of the tabs right here. Hopefully I'll be able to get the tab off the other one. But this headlight look way better Then my headlight is not cracked, like it's almost brand new, probably aftermarket. Just got some tape residue on it. I got the fog light. But like I said, I'm sorry, but like I said, everything is in here clean. Got the floor mats back there. Headliner clean. I can't open the back hatch. It is power. Press a button, the door open. Press another button, it closes. Let's start her up. Radio works. Cut that down. So we do have an engine light. Like I said, 144, 745 on the dash. So y'all know we just won this car because it's still got the same mileage. Oh, sunroof works. That's a big old sunroof there, y'all. Where is the important window work? Yep, important window work. Second important window works. Then all the rest of the windows work. And that's nice. They all got automatic power down. So I can drop all the windows down. They got automatic up. That one do. Go up by itself. Oh, auto up too. Oh, the backs don't got no auto up. No auto up for the backs. Gotta hold those buttons. Almost gotta take a gas. She got dual climate control up in here. Even got rear climate control. Switch right there. Close this sunroof. Sunroof is closed, so everything worked. Even that little cover is not all saggy. But y'all see that even that cover works. I think there was a good buy right here. Now my stepkids fighting over who gonna get this one from Pops. Cause like I say, all we need is a fender, front bumper, headlight, fog light. I got the fender, I got the headlight, I got the fog light. I just gotta get the front bumper. But we're going to be addressing in the next video the engine light. The engine light is on for temperature sensor and purge valve and probably thermostat. So we got the thermostat, we got the temperature sensor, and we have a purge valve that we got to be replacing in the next video. Then that'll be all the work we're going to do on this one. We're going to move on to another car because that's the way the cookie crumbles. But I got to work on something and keep these videos coming out for y'all. So long as I got winning cars, I'm not going to, like I said before, I'm not going to do, we just won another car video unless I'm going to be doing some work to that car. And usually, and trust me, I didn't want a lot of cars you haven't seen yet. Dodge Neon is just one of the cars. I think y'all only see the cars. Y'all only go see the cars that I win and I actually bring to the house. Like I said, a lot of the cars I win, I just drop them off at my job. So I got a parking lot of cars over there that I got to get to. And still got to get to that burn Traverse. And there's the noise from the purge valve. Y'all can hear it, the little ticking noise. That's the purge valve opening and closing, so we gotta get that changed out. Like I said, like get that thermostat and temperature sensor. But other than that, there's nothing more to this car, but that is a 2006 Cadillac Srx with very decent miles for the year. Like, it was elderly owned, and now it's ticking faster. And they took very good care of it. Boy, but I got to get these parts changed, so I'll catch y'all back in the next one. So if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Let us know about this Cadillac. If you would, please share this video with your friends, family, and coworkers on your social media. It'd be truly appreciated. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to Easy Ease Rebuilds. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I release a new video. We have merch like this at teespring.com. We take Cash App donations. We take donations of cars. There's all links in the description area below. Go check it out. Go follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and X. And with all that, stay tuned and stay blessed, people. Deuces!